To add fractions very well, you need a good knowledge of LCM, lowest common multiples of numbers, and that we have treated in our previous videos. So just check it out on this YouTube. So let's go straight to adding proper fractions. Let's start with a simple one. They are all simple actually. So let's start with 1 over 2. 1 over 2 plus, we are just adding, plus 2 over 7. The first step is to find the LCM, the lowest common multiple of 2 and 7, and that will give you 14. As I said, we have done videos on LCM and it's very simple. Just check it out if you don't know LCM very well. That video will help you. So let's go ahead. So the LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. The next step is 2 into 14. This 2, the denominator, the bottom number, into 14. How many times? 7 times. Then 7 times 1. What you get, you multiply it by the top number, the numerator. 7 times 1 is 7. Good. Plus 7 into 14 is 2. What that 2 times this 2 here, that will give you 4. So you have this, and the answer will be 7 plus 4 is 11 over 14. Can you simplify this further? Can you break this further? The answer is no. So this is the answer. So when you add 1 over 2 plus 2 over 7, you get 11 over 14. So that's the answer. Let's do another one. Let me clean this. It's very simple. Very, very, very simple. So we have this. We want to add this fraction to this fraction. So the first step is to find the LCM. The LCM of 8 and 24 is 24. So write 24 here. The next step is 8 into 24 is 3 times. 3 times this 3 here, 9. Plus 24 into 24 once. 1 times 7 is 1 times 7 is 7. So you have, if you add this, it gives you 16 over 24. You ask yourself, is there a number that can divide both of them without remainder, a common factor? The answer is yes. 4 can divide both of them. Even 8. 8 is the HCF. But you can go ahead with 4. 4 into 16 will give you 4 times. 4 into 24 is 6 times. Can you still divide further? Can you still break down? Yes, 2. 2 can divide both 4 and 6 without remainder. So 2 into 4 is 2. Into 6 is 3. This is the simplest it can be. So that is the answer. So when you add 3 over 8 to 7 over 24, you get 2 over 3. I need you to clean this, so we'll do another one. Let me clean this. So as you can see, fraction is very sweet. Very, very sweet. Let's do 4 over 5 plus 5 over 7. The first step is to find the LCM of 5 and 7. And the LCM is 35. If two of them are fractions, if two of them are prime numbers, you don't have to crack your brain. Just multiply the two. This is a prime number, this is a prime number. So don't disturb yourself looking for the LCM. Just multiply them. If you multiply these two, you get this. That only applies if two of them or one of them is a prime number. So let's go ahead. The main thing is look for the LCM. That will give you 35. 5 into this is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 into 35, 5 times. 5 times this 5 is 25. When you add this, you get 53 over 35. Is there a common factor? No, but you cannot do this answer like this because this is an improper fraction. That will be unfair to the 35. 35 is crying at the moment. So we have to help it. We have to divide it. So divide 53 by 35. How many times? Is 1. 1 times. Remainder 18. Remainder 18, so right? 18 here. Over the remainder is here over this 35. So that is the answer. So it's very simple actually, as you can see. Let's do 3 fractions. Yeah, so let me clean this. I hope it's very clear and fun. I believe you're enjoying yourself. Let's do 3 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 2 over 3. So here we have 3 fractions and we are asked to add them. So let's go ahead and find the LCM. The LCM of 4, 8, and 3 will give you 24. Yeah, 24. Having done that, the next step is 4 24 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 8 into 24 is 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 into 24 is 8 times. 8 times 2, 16. Now we add this. This is 21. 21 plus this 16 will give you 37. 37 over 24. This is an improper fraction. You can't leave it like this. So you divide. 24 into 37 is ones. And what's the remainder? The remainder is 13. The remainder is up here over 24. That is the answer. So I hope that this video is very straightforward, very clear, fun and enjoyable. Please, if you haven't subscribe, try and subscribe to this channel and press the bell so that anytime we upload videos, you will get to see them first. Until next time, thank you very much for watching and take good care of yourself.